Hey guys, we have 100 divided by 100 and 100 divided by 10. Okay, solve this step by step. 100 divided by 100, right? And 100 divided by 10 equals 10, right? Now here is multiply and here is divide. So 100 divided 100 times 10 equals 1000. Now this is not correct. Follow the order of operations. So this is first multiplication and division from left to right. So solve again. 100 divided by 100, right? 100 divided by 100 and 100 divided by 10 equals 10. And here is multiply. So divide first. 100 divided by 100 equals 1 and 10. Now here is multiply. 1 times 10 equals